Hey guys, it's Randy with Hanley Digital Consulting. We spoke the other day about a quick video on how to help bring more customers to your business with a better online presence. And in this video, there's going to be some really cool tips, and I just wanted you to keep in mind, even if you're not interested in my services, I'd really like to get your feedback. So I'm looking at your website, and I noticed a couple things that we can work on to help bring more traffic to your website, and obviously more revenue to your business. And there's three ways that we can do this. It's with content, backlinks, and citations. So content is what I'm referring to as words and images, so it's more information for customers. Around 1,500 words on your homepage, and it gives us places to put higher search keywords, and it helps take away all the guesswork for Google. And Google likes images, so the more images when we're saving our pictures, we want to name it with the right keywords. So I'm looking at your website right here, appliance repair in Shreveport, Louisiana. That's obviously a pretty popular keyword, and you got it bolded and highlighted, so that's good. We want to make sure that when we're saving our pictures, we save them the right way. Appliance repair in Shreveport, so you're doing that pretty good. The content looks pretty good on here. So the main thing that I can see is that we want to make sure that everything is interlinked between our service pages. So we want to make sure that some of these keywords in here are interlinked between some of our other service pages. Our on-site SEO is done properly, and this will help Google find your website and rank you higher. So the second way is with backlinks and referring domains, and it's basically anywhere one website refers to another website. Google looks at this to see if the website is trustworthy, so the more trust Google has, the higher it'll rank your website. And backlinks come from referring domains, so if that page has a higher rating and it's ranked, that referring domain will transfer that authority to your website. And it's super important to get these backlinks because it'll add about a 20 to 30% click rate to the organic search results. So I can pull up some of your keywords right here. We want to make sure that these keywords are in your content, and we want them bolded and highlighted. You know, I saw one in here. What was it? Appliance repair in Shreveport, Louisiana, and it's got a high KD, so you're ranked 28th in that. So we want to go after some lower KDs and some better keywords. And if they have a higher KD, we need to go after some guest posts and some better backlinks to really get these get ranked in these keywords. So washer repair in Shreveport, it's got a pretty high KD, so we really need to do a lot more to get you ranked in here. You're on the third or fourth page right here. So with that being said, we can go look at your backlinks. So some of these backlinks we want to make sure that they have to do with the services that we provide, because they're not really going to help you out much if they're just random backlinks. We want to make sure this is for guitars. Like I said, we want to make sure that we're going after the right kind of backlinks, and we also want to make sure that they're do follow. The do follows are going to help you guys out a lot. They're going to bring authority, and they're going to bring traffic, and they're going to bring power to your website. So that's going to help your website get ranked a lot. And we also want to go after guest posts and go after those high volume keywords, and that's going to help you guys get ranked. So if I was to look at the overview of your website, you got almost a 1-to-1 ratio, so that's pretty good. You've got 68 backlinks, 17 organic keywords, and again, so we want to make sure we need to get these backlinks up. Some of your competition has way more backlinks and way more keywords, but you're bringing in around 9 people a month to your website, so we really could ramp this up a lot and bring you a lot more traffic by doing your SEO a little more than you're already doing it right now. So if I was looking at your website, I'd say your website's pretty good. I think we should just take over your SEO and do some more on your SEO, because we could come in here and do some on-site SEO. Make sure that the keywords that you have in your website are interlinked and bolded within your content. Make sure everything's saved right. So we would probably need to go after, name it with a better keyword, one of those higher volume keywords, and also try to find some better keywords that have a lower KD, and that'd probably help you out a lot. So the last thing is with citations, and it's basically anywhere your business name and number appear on registries like Yelp and Yellow Pages. So the more we can get, the greater chance you have of getting ranked in the top 3 of Google Map Pack. So we'd probably start you off around 350 citations, and get your business name and number out there to all these different registries. And what that's going to do is that's going to help you get ranked up here in the GMB We want you right here in the top 3. So, with that being said, that's going to help you bring in a lot more clients. They're about 70% of all your clicks come from your GMV as it is. People are lazy these days. They're going to click on the first thing that pops up, and if you're not in the top 3, you're most likely not going to get found. So again, I showed you where a lot of those keywords that you're ranking for or that you have on your website, you're not really in the top 3. You got one that you're in the top 3, and it's for your name. So we need to get you ranked higher and some better keywords, and probably try to find you some lower KD keywords too. So with that being said, man, I hope this helps. A lot of this stuff you could do on your own, but if you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. I'd love to sit down with you guys, go over anything for you, and see if we can bring you some more clients. So I appreciate you watching, and I hope you have a good day. Thank you.